Automatic soap dispenser wall mount foaming touchless electric sensor. Rechargeable smart hand-free foam auto dish. Intelligence and life. This wall-mounted automatic soap dispenser frees your hands. You don't need to touch anything with dirty hands. Just reach out and it will provide you with an appropriate amount of foam to wash your hands. There are 3 gears that can be adjusted. Whether it is used in the kitchen or bathroom, it can meet your cleaning needs. Multi-function soap dispenser. Full screen display makes it more possible. Whenever you pass it, the human body sensing function makes it automatically light up the screen. You can see the time, temperature, electricity, liquid capacity, and other information displayed on the screen. This is a very interesting interaction. Window cleaning robot. Automatic water spray. With this glass cleaning machine with ultrasonic water spray nozzle, 40 ml water tank, you no longer need to spray water manually, cleans your windows cleaner and more thoroughly. No need to risk climbing a dangerous ladder to clean the outside and reach high or hard to reach high windows. Intelligent cleaning modes. Multiple intelligent modes, in patterns of Z, N, or Z to N, more than efficient, more than you expected, comes with 4 microfiber cleaning cloths, interchangeable and machine washable in water, saves money and environmental protection. Strong suction power. Upgrade powerful brushless motor suction power can fix the glass cleaner firmly on the vertical glass surface with pressure washing. Don't worry about falling during operation, reducing your time and effort. Safety protection. Automatic detection of window frames and obstacles. Multi-directional anti-fall sensors. Equipped with strong safety rope, the built-in UPS battery helps the robot vacuum on windows for 20 minutes and send alarm when the power supply is suddenly interrupted. Compatible with all types of glass, flat walls, tables, floors, ceilings, windows, and hard-to-reach places. Multifunctional toothbrush holder. Make your bathroom look more neat. Multiple storage place for 5 toothbrushes and 4 mouth cups, enough for a family to use. 2 toothpaste, can be separately put with day and night toothpaste or adult and children toothpaste. Other bathroom stuff storage place in the upside of the set. Quantitative squeeze, necessity for lazy family and single people. No need to squeeze toothpaste anymore. Save your strength and avoid excessive waste of the paste. Keep the opening of the toothpaste clean. Rescue the OCD. Refuse to the dirt in the bottom of the cups, upside down put. Drain the water in your cups. Magnetic inverted suck, hanging firmly. Easy to dismantle and clean, keep healthy from cleaning your holder frequently. Easy to install, 3 steps to finish, tear and stick then hang. Pipe dredging brush bathroom. Thoroughly clean and dredge the pipeline. Fine and dense spiral brush head makes it easier to clean up the blockage. Free bending, strong flexibility. Lengthen the stick, no matter how deep it is. Comfortable handle, easier to use. Salad spinner. It is very easy to prepare nutritious food every night. The large salad spinner can help you clean and serve salad vegetables and other agricultural products. This salad is not only a device for rapid washing and drying of agricultural products. Use the basket as a filter pan alone, and the stainless steel bowl can be used as a large salad bowl. We designed a large salad to facilitate single-hand operation. Just press the spinner mechanism to start. Easy to clean and wash, multifunctional 3-in-1, washing vegetables, dehydrating, draining. Product list, stainless steel salad spinner. Portable folding washing machine and dryer for clothes mini. Convenient and beautiful appearance. Curved drum head, fresh green. Beige. 2 colors can be selected. One wave wheel does not hurt clothes, Smooth bump does not hurt clothes. Blue light sterilization makes you more assured. Auto disinfect. Environmentally friendly material. Stable physical properties. Anti-slip. Insulation. Shock. Wear resistance. Aging. Corrosion resistance. Environmental protection. Good elasticity. Easy to recover. Wash and drain in one. Exclusive drain basket. Gentle clothing, used with the drain program. Gently separate the residual moisture of the clothes to avoid violent dehydration causing the clothes to be pulled and deformed.